Hello, in this video I want to show you how to start towels program in Beko drying machine. To do this, first we'll need to pick the towels program, and it's located right here. Next is to set the drying level, and you can switch between cupboard dry plus, and extra dry. Next is to activate or deactivate lamps inside the drying machine. Next is to enable or disable alarm sound when the program is finished. There's a lower temperature, but in this program it's not available. There's the timed program, also not available. And the last one is timed planned. And when you click on it, you'll be able to set a specific hours when this program should be finished. So for example, we can set it to 8 hours and return in 8 hours to see that our laundry is dry, in this case towels. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.